In this video, we are going to learn how to fix missing values using functions such as mean, median, and mode. And here we have an employee data set, and I had checked earlier, and some of the columns that had missing values are monthly salary. When you check the filter drop down and scroll down the list, you can see we have blanks. The other column that had missing value is performance score, and when you scroll down, you can see we have blanks. And the other one that had missing values is region, and you can see we have blanks there. So the first step is to allocate each function to its ideal column. So for instance, for monthly salary, I would say the ideal method is to use the median function, because when you click the filter drop down, you can see we have a salary, an employee whose salary is 3,800, and when you scroll down the list, you can see we have another employee whose salary is 25,000. So if we would use mean here, it would be affected by this extreme value, 25,000. So that's why median is the ideal method here. So when you come to performance score, I would say now we can use mean here, because when you scroll down the list, you can see we have the lowest performance score as 3. And when you scroll down, you can see the highest is 4.8. So 4.8 is not an extreme value, so it's safe to use mean here. And for region, the ideal function is to use mode. This is where we check the region that is appearing frequently, and we can use it to fill in the missing values. So let's start filling the missing values in the monthly salary. So we are going to insert a new column, and in this column we are going to use this formula, equals if F2 has missing values, then median of monthly salary, else it remains as F2. So when you come here to the filter drop down and uncheck everything and just select blanks, you can see the missing values have been filled with 5,800, which is the median of monthly salary. So the next column is performance score, and here we are going to use the mean. So we are going to insert a new column, and we are going to use this formula, equals if H2 has missing values, then average performance score, else it remains as H2. So when you come here at the performance score column and uncheck everything and just select blanks, click OK, you can see the missing values have been filled with the mean of performance score. So the next column is region, and here we are going to use a pivot table to check which region is appearing frequently. So we are going to go to insert pivot table, and our table name is table 1, and we are going to put region in the row field and also put it in the values field and ensure it's in count. So when we check our pivot table, we can see that the region that is appearing frequently is northeast. So we are going to create a new column, let's call it region 1, and we are going to use this formula, equals if L2 has missing values, then you type northeast, else it remains as L2. And now when you come at the region column and click that filter drop down and uncheck everything and just select blanks, you can see the missing values have been filled with northeast. So that's how you use median, mode, and mean to fill in the missing values.